Our business thrives on happy customers, so when they write to tell us we did a good job, we love to share their feedback so they know we appreciate their words. And here's what one customer wrote about their experience with our staff. We believe that reviews like this are a great testament to our commitment of quality. Our team loves to share this positive feedback with the world, so you can feel confident that you're turning to the right company for your needs. But please don't take their word for it. We're confident that you'll discover the difference for yourself. Attention to detail and unmatched quality are our specialties. Call us today at the number on your screen or visit us online. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.